Okay, so I'm just heading out now to give the Seaflyer a test. I barely have enough fuel even to get to the bay, so yeah, might be a long swim home. But I've got the Seaflyer with me, and we're gonna go give this thing a good test. Okay, so I'm out here in Chickens Bay on Lake Simcoe, and I'm gonna give the Seaflyer its first go, and yeah, let's see how she runs in the water. Okay, so first impression, this thing is freaking amazing. The amount of power it has under the water actually surprised me. It's absolutely incredible. It is like flying underwater. It's got plenty of torque. I'm almost like 260 pounds. This thing pulls me around the water like it's absolutely nothing. It floats, as you can see. So far, everything is continuing to work. What I'm going to do is switch the camera to the goggles and give it another test. Okay, so this Seaflyer is absolutely incredible. I mean, it is everything I hoped it to be, which is quite surprising because usually when you buy into these Kickstarters or crowdsourcing or basically anything off of AliExpress, your hopes and dreams far exceed your actual product that you get. This thing is incredible. It's fast, it's fun, it pulls me around the water with like ease. I'm pretty stoked about it. Now, I did notice one thing. I've gone through a whole battery. I've been out here playing for probably about 45 minutes. The actual LCD screen, here, let me turn this thing around here. The LCD screen has got moisture inside the screen. As you can see down there, the GoPro is gonna, because of the frame rate, it's gonna flash. That's not a problem, but there's actual moisture in behind the LCD. Now the LCD is still functioning, so I'm wondering if it's kind of like that whole Osmo action camera thing where, you know, the screen gets wet and moisture, you know, shows itself behind, and once it sits for a while it'll dry out. But yeah, as long as that's not an issue, I am super stoked that I'm gonna have a hell of a lot of fun with this thing this summer, and I think my kids are too. I did manage to beat the storm, so I'm heading back in now. I'm gonna throw this thing, well, once it dries out, throw it on the charger, upload the YouTube video, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video and the review. These are probably the first ones on YouTube, which I'm pretty excited about as well. Thanks, and if you like my videos, please subscribe.